Hello and welcome to this channel. In today's math tutorial, we have that if 3 over 4 to the power of x multiplying 2 over 3 to the power of y is 32 over 27, then we want to find the value of 3y minus 2x. And to get the value of 3y minus 2x, it is important to know the value of y and also the value of x. Now join me. Make sure you watch to the very end as we carefully find the value of x and y and then evaluate the expression 3y minus 2x. I'll write the left hand side as 3 times 1 over 4 to the power of x multiplied by 2 times 1 over 3 to the power of y, and the right hand side I'll write as 32 times 1 over 27. Then we take it a step further by writing the left hand side as 3 times 4 to the power of negative 1, and that to the power of x, times 2 times 3 to the power of negative 1, and that to the power of y, and then 32 times 27 to the power of negative 1. It is getting interesting, isn't it? Continue simplifying. I've got 3 times 4 can be expressed as 2 to the second power, and that multiplying negative 1 will be 2 to the power of negative 2. And that's to the power of x. The second will be 2 times 3 to the power of negative 1 to the power of y still, while on the right hand side 32 is expressed as 2 to the power of 5, while 27 to the power of negative 1 can be written as 3 to the power of negative 3, as 27 is 3 to the third power. Now still simplifying, we know that when we have the product AB to the power of C, it can be expressed as A to the power of C times B to the power of C. So this is done with the parentheses on the left hand side, where we have 3 to the power of x times 2 to the power of negative 2x, and that times 2 to the power of y, and times 3 to the power of negative y. And this is equal to 2 to the power of 5 times 3 to the power of negative 3. And the next thing we do here is to organize the bases that are like. We organize the like bases. So the bases having 2, we've got 2 to the power of negative 2x times 2 to the power of y, and the bases having, the basis of 3, that would be 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of negative y, and this is equal to 2 to the power of 5 times 3 to the power of negative 3 on the right hand side. Now that we have grouped the common bases together, recall that when we have a to the power of b times a to the power of c, this can be combined together with the sum of the exponents as a to the power of b plus c. So we combine the bases where this is 2 to the power of negative 2x plus y. I'll put that in parentheses. Then times 3 to the power of x minus y. And this is 2 to the power of 5 times 3 to the power of negative 3. Now that this has been sorted, what we do next is to compare the bases on the left to those on the right. When we do, we've got 2 to the power of negative 2x plus y and 2 to the power of 5. So we're going to equate their exponents. Likewise, 3 to the power of x minus y and 3 to the power of negative 3, we equate their exponent as well. Which means that we've got negative 2x plus y, and this is equal to 5, and we've got x minus y, and that is equal to negative 3. So we call them equations 1 and 2. And we are going to add the two equations in order to solve for x and also for y. So when we add them together, we're going to have negative x. Y gets eliminated and 2 on the right hand side. When we multiply both sides by negative 1, x is negative 2. Then we put the value of x into any of the equations, say equation 2, in order to get the corresponding value of y. So that simply means equation 2, which is x minus y, that would be negative 2 minus y to be equal to negative 3. And negative y would be the sum of negative 3 and 2 when we add 2 to both sides. And negative y is just negative 1. Multiplying through by negative 1, y is actually a positive 1. So that way we have the values of x and y. X is negative 2 and y is 1. And don't forget that we are required to find the value of 3y minus 2x. And this is going to be 3 times 1 for 3y minus 2 times negative 2 for 2x. This is 3. And when we distribute negative 2 to negative 2, it gives a positive 4. So we've got 3 plus 4, and the value of 3y minus 2x is 7. I believe you also enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like and share the video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly go ahead and do so now. Click on the notification bell so that you get updated about my activities on this channel. As you watch out for the next video, keep enjoying your day. Bye.